today I'm working on a 2016 Audi A3. This goes for Volkswagens too. I've seen this many times in the past. The customer installed the battery, but they put it in backwards initially. So what happens is you have all the lights on your instrument cluster after you do that, and your power steering will usually be in-op with the electric power steering. You know, that won't work. Everything will be lit up, and typically what happens, if you're lucky, is it just blows this big fuse that powers up all these different legs. One of them goes to the power steering rack, alternator, all the different things like that. So all you do to check this, obviously, is disconnect your battery first, and then with everything installed and this in place and these nuts all tightened down, you just get your test light and check power at each one of these. These should all be powered up pretty much all the time, all of these. If you have one that's that doesn't light up your test light, then you're gonna have to just disconnect your battery, undo all these nuts, pull the wires out of the way like this, take a picture beforehand so none of them get crossed, and yeah, pull this thing right out with a little pick. You can just get a little pick behind one of these terminals and just slide it straight up out of there. Here's the part numbers right on it. You can take this and do a screenshot if you want the part number. And yeah, so this is for a 2016 Audi A3 Quattro. That's it. Thanks for watching.